Tired of the fighting, it's snooping. If I put a you on you, what would you do?
You're gonna lay them out like this, lay them flat out. That's the front and the back. That's the left. Okay. And then you're gonna take the other leggings, these flat out. This is a medium, and I'm laying the other medium, taking the tab off this. And I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna cut right here before this creasing line. Take my scissors and I'm just. I'm gonna turn them inside out like this, and I'm gonna feed them. I'm gonna feed this one this way, lay them at the end, right here on top of the end of these. That way, when you flip this out, it's gonna be stacked. Get it? And so, this is the part you're gonna need this. It's this adhesive tape. What any called adhesive?
Yeah.
It's iron-on tape. You can get it from Walmart for $1, and you just can you see my?
That's good.
And you're gonna take this tape. You're gonna flip the leg on top up. You're gonna wrap the tape around here.
30 hertz, straight up.
Then I'm just gonna lay this on top of it. It don't have to be perfect. I mean. Okay, so the tape is right here. I'm gonna take my arm, spin it up, then you're gonna lay it on, you're gonna arm this. I'm gonna arm this side. That should be it. And then, see, it sticks. You gotta let it cool off. Let it cool off. I'm just going to the next leg. So I'm gonna repeat this step again. Now I'm gonna just flip these out. And this is how they look. I'm gonna try them on and I'm gonna show you what they look like. I hope this method worked for you guys. It works for me and my other pants. if you guys use this method, don't forget to send me a picture of what they look like. And yeah, check out my other videos and follow me on my other social medias.
What would you do?